Frustrated by the Ntdsvcl.dll software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we begin our NTDSVCL troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the NTDSVCL, the NTDS Virtual Control Library. It provides unmanaged routines for managing virtualized domain controller snapshots and safety identifiers. It facilitates the data link between the hypervisor and the localized directory manifest. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. NTDSVCL is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the NTDSVCL component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NTDS space int space IP space reset, then hit enter. Second, type NTDS space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Ntdsvcl.dll from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for NTDSVCL. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including NTDSVCL dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.